Christel House International is expanding into secondary education in Jamaica. The organization broke ground for a high school at its Twickenham Park location in St. Catherine earlier this week. As Jamila Maitland reports, the Education Ministry says the school serves as a model for teaching and learning.
4 years after Christel House opened its doors to early childhood and primary school students, the administration says it will be building a high school.
Would we succeed in our ambitions to deliver the Christel House model created by our founder, Christel Dahan? Excellent education, character education, nutrition, healthcare, and family support. Well, today is the validation of our confidence and the answer to our questions. We are here to stay.
During the groundbreaking ceremony, the school administrators revealed that a 2-story block will be constructed on the compound.
It'll be open April 2025, ready for the August-September term actually, but construction will be finished in April.
Christel House caters to children from low-income families. In addition to the curriculum, the school provides transportation, meals, and several extracurricular activities to the students. Some of those activities were on display during Thursday's ceremony. Education Minister Favour William described the school's approach to learning as holistic.
By providing comprehensive support, including education, nutrition, healthcare, and mentorship, and of course, working closely with parents, Christel House is empowering students to break free from the chains of poverty and chart a course towards a better tomorrow.
The school currently has students up to grade 5. They will go on to the secondary school after completing their PEP exams in grade 6. We asked Principal Jason Scott about the students' performance.
We would have had the opportunity to gauge our grade 3 diagnostic results from our first set of students who would have sat that in 2022. And then we matched that against the group that sat in 2023. And we'd have seen where we'd have had significant gains. In our last set of exams, which would have been the grade 4 PEP, we matched against our results to the regional results and the national results. And for numeracy, we were just behind the national average by 5%, and for literacy just by 10%.
Mr. Scott explained that students' reading has also improved, and grade 5 student Daniel Suarez did not disappoint.
On behalf of my fellow grade 5 students and all those who will follow in our footsteps, thank you. We are excited to see the construction of our new high school get underway and look forward to seeing you at the ribbon cutting and walking through those doors in 2025.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.